Hello, is this cab free? I need a cab right now.
Yes, I am free. Please get in.
Thank you so much.
Where would you like to go today?
Can you take me to the city mall, please?
Sure, no problem. Are you carrying something with you?
No, I am not carrying anything with me.
Okay, everything is set. Let's go.
How long it would take me to reach the city mall?
About 20 minutes, depending on traffic. Sometimes in rush, it takes an hour.
That's not a big deal. Let's go.
Do you prefer the highway or the service road?
Please take the fastest way.
All right, I think I would take the service road. Because sometimes it's faster.
Thank you. How much will the trip cost?
It should be around $40 to $50.
I think that's too much. I can give around $20 to $30. Is that okay?
Fine, $35?
Sure. Do you accept credit cards?
Yeah, I accept. Cash and cards both.
Fine, let's go then.
Okay, fasten your seatbelt. For safety.
Sure, thank you for reminding.
You're welcome. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Please place all your belongings in the bins for screening.
Should I remove my jacket and shoes?
Yes, please. Jackets, shoes, belts, and anything metal need to go in tray. Also, place your laptop, tab, mobile, and any electronics place them in a separate tray.
Got it. What about liquids?
Any liquid, gels, and creams must be in containers of 100 ml or less and must be placed in a plastic bag. Do you have any of those?
Yes, I have a small bottle of lotion and a shampoo.
Perfect. Place those in this plastic bag and put them as the tray as well.
Thank you. Do I need to take of my watch?
If it is metal, then yes, it might trigger the alarm.
Do I need to empty my pocket?
Yes, please empty your pocket completely, even keys and coins.
Okay, I think that's everything.
Okay, now walk through the metal detector.
It beeped. What should I do?
No problem. Step aside and I'll use a handheld scanner. Looks like it was a bracelet. You can wear after scanning.
So am I free to go now?
Almost. Grab your things on the conveyor belt and make sure you haven't forgetting anything. Have a safe flight.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Excuse me, is it the bus? Stop for the supermall?
Yes, this is the right spot.
Oh, great, I thought. I was waiting at the wrong stop.
No, you are fine.
Do you know when the next bus will come?
Around 30 minutes. Sometimes it takes an hour because of traffic.
Oh, I see that as normal for buses.
Yeah, especially during busy hours in the morning.
How much is the bus fare?
$1.50.
Do I need exact change?
Yes, you need exact change or your credit or debit card.
Oh, no, I don't even have exact change in a card.
Don't worry, there is small. Shop there, you can get a change there.
Thank you so much.
Good evening. Welcome to Shine Hotel.
Good evening.
Thank you for coming here. How may I help you today?
I have a reservation. I booked online last week.
Amazing. May I know your name?
Kevin Sam.
Thank you, Mr. Kevin. Let me check our system.
Sure, take your time.
I found your booking. A single room for 2 night.
That is correct. Is everything confirmed?
Everything is correct. You will check out day after tomorrow.
Fantastic. May I check in now?
Of course. May I see your ID and passport?
Here it is.
Thank you. I just needed to copy it.
No problem.
Do you prefer a room on lower floor or higher floor?
Lower floor would be nice.
Okay, room 130 is your. Here is the key.
Excellent. What are the breakfast timing?
8 a.m. to 11 a.m.
Can you set a up call at 9 a.m.?
I'll set your wake up. Call is at 9 a.m. The elevator is at your right.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Wow, your hotel looks so good.
Oh, thank you so much, sir. What would you like to have?
I would like to have a well-done beefsteak.
And would you like anything for dessert?
And can I have strawberry cheesecake?
Anything for drink?
A water and a lemonade would be fine.
Which type of water would you like?
What type of waters are available?
Sparkling, still, mineral, and bottle.
I would prefer sparkling.
All right, I would be back with your meal. Here is your meal, sir.
Wow, that's tasty.
Thank you so much, sir. Here is your dessert and lemonade.
Can I have the bill?
Here you go, sir. Your total was $250. And after the discount, it's now $100.
That's a heavy discount.
Yes, because our restaurant has its 12th anniversary.
But still it's expensive, can you break down it?
$98 for beefsteak and $96 for cheesecake and $5 for lemonade.
Fine. Do you accept card?
Yes. Have a nice day, sir.
You too.
Welcome to board, sir.
Good morning. Thank you so much.
We are happy to have you with us. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure, it is.
Thank you. Do you need any help with your luggage?
No, it's fine.
Once you settled, would you like something to drink?
Yes, can I have an orange juice?
Yes, absolutely. Here you go.
Thank you so much. That's refreshing.
You're welcome. Would you like anything to eat?
What are the options?
Chicken sandwich, pasta, and cup noodles.
Can I have the chicken sandwich?
Yeah, here you go, sir.
That's delicious. Excuse me, where is the washroom?
It's at the front.
Thank you so much.
Sir, it's time for landing. Please fasten your seat belt.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, for flying with us.
You're welcome. Hello, ma'am. What would you like to have?
Can I get a pistachio latte?
Okay, ma'am. Which milk would you like?
What are the options?
Whole milk, fat milk, skim milk, oat milk, almond milk, soy milk, low-fat milk. What would you like?
I would like the full fat milk.
Would you want cookies?
Yes, a chocolate cookie.
Would you like anything else?
No, that would be fine.
Your total is $5. Cash or card?
Cash.
Okay, here is your pistachio latte. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
What would you like to have?
I would like to have cheeseburger
Anything else with that?
and a fried chicken with some fries.
And soda?
Yeah, I would like a cola.
And that would be all?
Yeah.
Your total would be $12.
All right, do you accept cards?
Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hi, please fill petrol full tank.
Sure, ma'am. Regular or premium?
Premium petrol would be .fine.
Ma'am, your car looks quite new.
Yes, I bought it a few months ago.
Good choice. It's a nice car.
Thank you so much. How much is it now?
$100.
All right, here you go.
Do you travel with this car a lot?
Yes, sometimes I like to go on long drives, especially at nights.
That sounds nice. Driving at night is very peaceful.
Yes, the roads are quiet and there is less traffic.
True. Many people stop here during night drives for petrol or coffee.
Really? Then this place must get busy sometimes.
Yes, especially on weekends.
Interesting.
Your tank is full now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.